Hey everyone, it's Ashley. Welcome back. Today I'm going to be unboxing the November 2018 Boxycharm box. This subscription is $21 a month and it is said to give you over $100 worth of product. And every quarter they have a Boxycharm Luxe. And that box is bigger. It is an extra $29 that is charged quarterly because you receive it quarterly, and it is said to be over $250 worth of product. I am currently on the wait list for the December Boxycharm Luxe box, so fingers crossed that I get that guy because I'm excited to see what's in it. But let's see what's in this one. Ooh, so the first thing we got is glitter drops from CoverFX. This is in the shade Nova, and it says these weightless drops of ultrafine glitter can be used anywhere you want a lustrous glow. You can add it to any product or directly to skin. Oh wow, that is like crazy gold color, and this retails for $44. So let's just see what it does to my hand here. I'm gonna like really disperse it throughout my hand. Oh wow, wow, that is super nice for the holidays. Oh, you can't see all the glitter. Let me get my flashlight app out on my phone. Not sure you can see that. I'm really sorry, guys. But there is a ton of glitter in this. Whew, that is crazy. Just gonna put a tiny bit of what's on my finger on my cheeks. This will definitely get you into the holiday cheer. I don't know about an everyday look though. It's a little too crazy for me, but super nice and super fun. Okay, next from Luxie, we have 4 premium synthetic handcrafted brushes. And it looks like they have gold handles, which is super cute for the holidays. So these brushes are a little thin, guys. So here's like a fluffy brush, which is super small, but it'll be good to get into your crease. And then there is a tapered brush, a mini flat angled brush, and just a mini round brush. So these are super cute. I'm definitely excited to use these little guys over here, the mini flat angled and the mini round. Be really good to, you know, make your brow bone pop and your inner corner pop. And that retails for $21. Moving on to their eyeshadow palette by Ace Beauty. This retails for $24.99. And let's see what shades we have. Ooh, so some nice reds and browns and golds for the fall. I will do some quick swatches for you guys on my arm. So here is the first 4. This first shade, Jasmine, is really hard to see. It's very light, like Your Destiny color, but these all feel really creamy, and I like this orange peachy shade, Clove, here. All right, and I'm just gonna move down my arm. Well, these all are swatching beautifully. The only one that's swatched a little bit splotchy is this shade Poppy, but I'm sure if I go in with a second coat, yeah, it's absolutely fine. So that one's a little patchy, but this is a really nice palette for the fall. Okay, moving right along, by Jonteblu. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right. It is a glittering star eyeliner, and this retails for $5. And let's open up this guy and see what this has in store. If I can get to it. Like, I love that they safety seal this stuff, because then you know nobody's gotten into it, but you know, you can't get into it either. Ha! Got it! Now I just gotta get the plastic to not stick to me. Okay, ooh, so this is black with specks of shimmer in it. Oh, that is super cool. Let me make this thicker so hopefully you all can see the shimmer in it. That is super, super cool. Hopefully you can see that. Okay, so this is said to be long lasting. I want to like smudge it with my hand, but I'm afraid to see what happens. Oh, okay, so it definitely is not smudge proof. That is for sure. So keep that in mind when using this, but it is a $5 eyeliner. So, you know, you get what you pay for. All right, and last, oh, I'm so happy I got this. I got lashes from Lashaholic. They are Instaglam false lashes and they retail for $14.99. And these are like super fanned out and pretty. I try not to look online and see what you're going to get, but I did happen to stumble on my Facebook page a post that Boxycharm did and said that you were either going to get lashes or a brush cleaner, and I have like 2 of these huge ones of brush cleaners from Sephora, so I don't need brush cleaner right now. So I was really, really hoping I would get these lashes. So I'm super excited. I'm kind of like, I know you don't want to mess with them, but I want to feel them. They feel really, really nice. They are made with premium silk fibers and they are 100% vegan. It's supposed to give you natural looking length and volume. Oh my gosh, and I love the box it comes in. It's like all shimmery and glittery. Okay, so if you rounded everything up, this Boxycharm was $110 for 21 bucks. And although I know I need to try all this stuff out, I really liked everything. This CoverFX glitter drops I will probably just use for the holidays, and then I don't know what I'll do with it. These brushes will definitely come in handy because I have a lot of big, like, fanned out brushes, and it'll be nice to use smaller brushes to get in my crease better. This palette has beautiful shades. I feel like they all complement each other really nice, and it's gonna make a really nice eyeshadow look. The liner I'm kind of on the fence about. I'm super excited that it's black with like glittery in it, but I don't like that it's smudged so easily, so I will have to try this out. And then the lashes I'm super excited for. So I feel like you could use all of this stuff to make a nice holiday look. So if you're thinking of maybe gifting Boxycharm to somebody, if you can jump on it this month, I would, because they can get it before the holidays and then use it for the holidays, which would be really nice. All right, so that's my opinion about this Boxycharm. I would definitely go and get it. All right, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Now go have yourself an awesome day.